right, so this morning as you're heading out, I don't know how I'm going to follow that, but I'll let you know it's not as cold as it was yesterday. Temperatures starting off in the 60s for most of us or right around there. So Escondido, Poway, and El Cajon around 59, 58 degrees. I just actually got a photo of some fog up in the North County, which I've been talking about. I'll show you that right at 6:30. As far as the winds go, picking up, especially in the mountain and desert areas as we head into this weekend, gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible. That will blow the dust and sand around in the desert areas. For the coast and valleys, gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour. But hey, that's not as bad as the hurricane force winds that are going to be moving in to the northwest today, tomorrow, into the weekend as a parade of storms moves in. We're on the very tail end of it, so let's show you what's going to be going on. It's going to be sliding south, bringing beneficial rain to parts of Northern California, Central California, Oregon, and Washington. Here locally, we're really just going to be getting an enhanced marine layer. So some marine layer drizzle, some spotty showers will be possible overnight Saturday into Sunday. This is at 10:30 on Saturday night, and then again Sunday night into Monday morning. So if you're maybe going out this weekend, most of the day will be fine. And maybe you're going out to Pitties in the park. They're going to have a pit bull kissing booth. How adorable is that? Along with low-cost vaccinations, it's at Liberty Station, temperatures in the 70s, and also an adorable costume contest for the dogs, of course. Along the coastline, we're in the 70s through Tuesday. Offshore winds potentially quite strong as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. We could see 90s reach all the way to our beaches. Inland areas, we go from 80 on Tuesday, 10 degrees warmer by Wednesday, and we could see these numbers go up as we get closer to next week. We've easily seen this before. This again could potentially be a strong Santa Ana event. We're going to be tracking this one very carefully. Windy in the mountain and desert areas Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and our mountain areas could also see some marine layer drizzle as well.